Okay, so I'm Enoch Abaka, a theology student on Valley View campus, and today I chose to join the school farm to learn some few things so that I can also um, be well informed and instructed. And I came to join them working on planting spring onions, and right after preparing it like this, we are going to plant them, and we are going to use the vegetative method instead of the seed process, because it grows faster. I've learned that it grows faster and it matures faster than planting with the seeds. Finally, these are some of the spring onions that I came to found already planted by using the vegetative method. So it tells me that indeed what they told me was actually true. It is doing well. As you can see, it's very healthy, it's very cool, and I want to believe that if you want some, you can just come around and get some. They are looking good and healthy as it should be. Some other things that I found at the farm is also the opportunity to come around and look at what we have here, especially with maize. It's wonderful. It's just some few weeks and we are seeing very beautiful maize here that looks very healthy, and you could see the stem and leaves telling us that the maize itself, as the seed, everything is going to be very healthy. So this is what we have, the maize also at the farm. So as I said, you can see very fat maize, and I just don't want to believe that it is just the it is just the leaves, but I want to believe that whatever is in there is also healthy and fit. And actually it is free from every other thing you can't talk of. It is very natural, purposeful, and has been grown so that we can appreciate how best things can be. So that is my time in the farm. It has been a very beautiful time, a blessing, in fact very fulfilling. Rate the farmers here. They know what they are doing. They are doing a very good work, and I want to appreciate them.